Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot sequences for outbound sales outreach, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize HubSpot sequences for outbound sales outreach, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the sales dashboard. On the left side menu, click on Sequences. If you're using HubSpot for the first time, check that your account settings are properly configured. Look for the settings icon in the main navigation bar. Click on Account Settings. In the left sidebar, select Integrations. Scroll down to find Connected Apps. Locate the Email Integration section to authorize your email account. If you're using Gmail or Office 365, click Connect. Follow the prompts to sign in to your email account. Grant the necessary permissions for HubSpot to access your email. Once your email is connected, return to the Sequences section. Create a new sequence by clicking on Create Sequence. Add your outreach emails to the sequence. Set delays between emails based on your outreach strategy. Make sure to personalize each email with recipient information. When ready, click Review Sequence. Check for any errors or missing information. Once everything looks good, save your sequence. To start using it for outreach, click on the Enroll button. Select the contacts you wish to include in your sequence. Confirm your selection and click Enroll. Your HubSpot sequences are now authorized and ready for outbound sales outreach. Monitor the performance of your sequences in the dashboard for ongoing optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.